sum looks easy at first. Find two numbers that add up to a target. But the real question is not which two numbers should I try. It is, for this number, which partner do I need? For every value in the array, we calculate the one number that would complete the target. Once that partner has already appeared, we have found our answer. Let's use a quick example. Our array is 2, 1, 11, 7, 15. The target is 9, so we need two values whose sum is exactly 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9, so those two positions form the answer. Values may repeat, but we can never use the same array position twice. To solve this efficiently, we scan the array from left to right. This is the array we will process one value at a time. The target stays fixed at 9. On the side, we maintain a hash map called scene. The hash map stores a number along with the index where we first found it. Before storing the current number, we always check whether its required partner is already inside scene. We begin at index 0 with the value 2. To reach the target 9, 2 needs a partner, 9 minus 2, which is 7. But 7 is not in scene yet, so there is no pair yet. Now we store 2 with index 0. This means that if we see a 7 later, we already know where its partner is. Move to the next value. At index 1, the value is 1. Its partner would be 9 minus 1, which is 8. 8 has not appeared before, so again, no pair yet. We store 1 at index 1. The scene table now contains 1, 2. Now we move to index 2. At index 2, the value is 11. Its partner would be 9 minus 11, which is negative 2. Minus 2 has not appeared before, still no pair. We store 11 at index 2. The scene table now contains 1, 2, 11. Now we move to index 3. At index 3, the value is 7. Its required partner is 9 minus 7, which is 2. And 2 is already in scene at index 0. That means we have found the pair. Return indices 0 and 3. That is the entire trick. One pass through the array plus a hash map. For every current value, calculate the partner it needs. Check whether that partner has already appeared. If it has, return the earlier index and the current index, 0 and 3. Otherwise, store the current value and continue scanning. First, create a hash map that maps each number to the index where it appeared. Then loop through the array exactly once from left to right. For each value, calculate the complement, target minus the current number. If that complement is already in the hash map, return the stored index for the partner along with the current index. If the partner is not there yet, store the current number only after checking. Because every number is processed once, the time complexity is O of n, and the hash map may use O of n extra space.